glacier. Yeah, you can see the glacier there. But we need to walk now. So, yep, let's go. Let's go. Doing the Hooker Valley walk. We're gonna go into Hooker Lake. And it's kind of cold. Not really that cold, but I just don't want to feel cold. I even have gloves. But it's not really that cold. I just don't want my ears to be cold. It's an hour and a half return. Oh, damn that glacier. Look at that. See that glacier? That's thick. That could make a lot of halo-halos. What can you say about the river? It's nice. The river. This is what you call the... What lake is that? Mueller? So, Mueller. Hooker is at the back.
Yeah, this is the Hooker River.
Are you sure? Oh, okay.
What are you doing?
Yeah, we're at the Hooker River. Hi.
Is it a video?
Yeah, it's video.
Because look at the colors. It's not something you see often.
Hanging Ridge, which is like shaking, jiggling. You see a lake there. Mountains. Yeah. Around 36 minutes on this 1 hour and a half hike to Hooker Valley. And we can see the glacier, it's much more closer. Yeah. Here we see a lot of rocks pulverized. Yeah. It's a Hooker Lake. And yeah. Hi to all the guys out there who are watching me on my Facebook Live. I feel like a celebrity already. I feel so famous just for a few seconds because I ran out of battery. Also, this camera is low on battery, so I don't know what's gonna happen next. Anyway, we're off to a few more kilometers, kilometers. A few more minutes. We'll be there, and yeah, I'm tired. Only here at Hooker Valley Lake, finally. And look, there are glaciers here. It's much better, it's much cleaner than the one on the Tasman Glacier or Tasman Lake. And some glaciers there. Yeah, it's like thick ice. Yeah, that's what they say. I don't know. I'm not really an expert, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to show you some zoom outs. That ice there has some dirt on it from the rocks. Those tiny teeny ice there, and when you go there, that thick thing, that one there, that thick, that's the glacier. It goes all the way up the mountain. How good it is. Yeah, that's Mount Cook, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so. And Tasman Glacier's on the other side. But yeah, we're just gonna go down. Just gonna horse there. Just gonna take a break. Enjoy the place for now. Save the ice. Don't step in them.
Chopsticks.
Huh?
We didn't need
Chopsticks? Oh. Okay. Heading back to the car now. It's gonna be an hour hike. We've been here for 2 hours already. So I'll be hiking back. Check out the glaciers one more time. So again, a lot of ice up there. People, mountains. You know what I mean. Anyway, trailing back. We're expecting so cold weather. So I got jacket. But now I'm wearing this dry fit.
It is cold.
It is cold, but your body tends to heat up. So you want to take off. I had a puffer jacket. Probably puffer jacket is that they're not breathable. So I'm sweating inside, so I had to take it off. Anyway, let's check out the place this one more time. It's really awesome. If ever you're here at Mount Cook, it's an hour and a half walk. It's not a tough walk, but it's good enough. Yeah. We're back. Gonna head up that cliff. You can see the mountains up there. This part here is the best viewing area for the rock. Just gonna go around this part here, climb up the rock. Awesome views. Yeah. The rock there. Took a photo of Laura earlier. And yeah, I didn't have my photo. Didn't have much time, but yeah, this place is really good. Yeah, I know. So good. Thank you, Hooker Valley, for the experience. Yeah. And it's starting to rain now. I don't have a rain jacket. Laura has a soft shell. It's waterproof or water repellent. Mine's not. So whenever we're climbing, I was too lazy to bring the ponchos or bring my soft shell jacket. And the jacket I have right now is a puffer jacket. It's not waterproof. If it gets wet, all the duck feathers is gonna be wet, and it's gonna take a long time to dry. And at the same time, it's not really good for waterproofing. So I'm gonna fucked up. So I just took off my jacket, and then we're just gonna be on this thing right now. Anyway, I'm gonna put my camera back in the bag. That way I can run back to the car. That's it for today. Not much views, but yeah, if you can come here, you gotta try it yourself. Yeah. So that means it's gonna rain. I'm fucked up.
It's okay.
Yeah. It's gonna rain. Good luck to me. There's Laura again, crossing the bridge. And we met a Korean. He's gonna hitch a ride with us. Okay, I'm gonna run all the way to the car park. It's 5 kilometers. Okay, so it's starting to rain. I don't know. Yeah, we're heading back there. We're fast now. Look at the bridge views. It's starting to rain now. I can taste the rain. Check out the river. And yeah, we got to know this Korean from behind me. They're gonna hitch a ride. She's gonna hitch a ride with us. But we need to be back to the car as soon as possible. I don't have a rain jacket with me. I'm gonna be cold. But I have gloves made from possum and merino. Yeah. Laura has a nice jacket that we got. Most of the times when you're a tourist and you're overseas traveling, hiking, one of the things you have to think about is certain countries have certain rules on the trails. Like Australia, the roads are, you stay on the left, and New Zealand, and yeah, those are the countries I've been. So if you're an Asian and you came from Asia, or if you're a Filipino who came from the Philippines, you always go to the right because the cars are on the right. Whenever you go around, you go to the right. So when you're on the trail, get to cross with people and they get confused, and I get confused also, because most of them would go to the right. I would go to the right. I mean, I would go to my left, which is their right, and when we meet in the same pathway. Yeah, it's funny. Hey, I think I'm sunburned or something. Still a few more kilometers. So I didn't put sunblock there, and the sun was out. Even if it was cloudy, I still got sunburned. So yeah, you should put sunscreen. So after the hike, we just head back to Wanaka. We tried to go there to get my charger. We were so tired, and we tried to contact the accommodation we had, but we turned off our roaming. We had no communications. We had no internet. So all we had to do was just head back to Wanaka. But the thing is, it was late. We can't call them. We can't get online. So we just headed back to Queenstown. Our accommodation for the next 2 days is there. We got a hotel, and we decided we'll be chilling. So in the next episode, I don't know what's in the next episode, but just check it out. Cheers. Bye.